Hi friends, Matt Byer here with the State Historical Museum of Iowa, and today's Innovative Iowan activity is all about the weather. Let's get started. This Innovative Iowan activity highlights a famous newscaster from Iowa's past. Reporting the news and the weather is an important job, especially in the event of a snowstorm. Someone who reported many snowstorms in Iowa over the years was Russ Van Dyke, who was born on August 28, 1917. In 1945, he began work at radio station KRNT in Des Moines, which later transitioned to a TV broadcast station now known as KCCI. In more than 30 years, Van Dyke served many different roles, including main anchor until his retirement on March 11, 1983. We're doing a weather experiment today, and here's the science behind it. This activity highlights chemical reactions and liquid density. The oil and water separating is a visual example of different densities of liquid. Water molecules are one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. The molecular structure of oil is nonpolar and is repelled by water molecules. Oil and water do not mix, but instead repel each other. This activity also shows a chemical reaction between Alka-Seltzer tablets and water. The crushed up tablet contains an acid, sodium bicarbonate, which releases carbon dioxide as bubbles when mixed with water. The materials needed for this activity include our Let It Snow activity worksheet, white paint, water and a cup, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and oil. The first step is to make predictions. Every good scientist will make a prediction of what's going to happen. Using your worksheet, we have some questions to help predict what you think is going to happen in today's activity. So to begin, you're going to take 1 cup, or you can use a jar or any other vessel, and add in some water. And to your water, you want to add 2 teaspoons of paint, and we're using white paint today. Now, after you add the paint, you're going to mix it together with your water. Pretty easy. And then our next step is to add oil. So you're going to add enough oil up to the top. The next step is to add our Alka-Seltzer tablets. So you're going to take your tablets, open it up, and you're going to crush them into smaller pieces, and then you're going to add them into your mixture. Adults, while young historians are doing this activity, ask these questions to help further learning. Why do you think weather reporting was important to people living in Iowa in the past? Why is it important now? How do you think weather reporting has changed over time? Consider the weather board from the museum collection, and also think about how you would like to find out weather today. What activities in Iowa rely on the weather? Think about agriculture, sports, and other activities that are outdoors. As you finish out your activity, fill out the last section on your worksheet under conclusion, some great ways to kind of see what actually happened during this activity. As always, we'd love to see your creations and concoctions, so share some photos with us at museum.education@iowa.gov.